Can you find the grammar mistake? Listen to this sentence. I am working every day. Is this sentence correct? Think for a moment. The answer is no. Why is it wrong? Stay with me and let us find out together. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learning While Listening Anytime. I am very happy you are here. Today, we are going to learn a very important grammar rule. We will learn present simple and present continuous. Many students confuse these two. But do not worry. I will teach you in a very simple way. Watch until the end of this video. You will understand perfectly. First, let us talk about present simple. What is present simple? We use present simple for habits. We use it for things we do every day. It is a daily routine. We use words like always, usually, often, and every day. Here are some easy examples. I read a book every night. Sarah walks to school every morning. Tom plays tennis on Sundays. They usually eat dinner at home. The sun rises in the morning. Dogs like to play. Do you see the pattern? These are habits or true facts. So, remember, present simple is used for daily habits and routines. Now, let us talk about present continuous. What is present continuous? We use present continuous for actions happening right now. We use it for this exact moment. We use words like now, right now, and today. To make this, we use am, is, or are plus a verb with ing. Here are some easy examples. I am reading a book right now. Sarah is walking to school now. Tom is playing tennis at the moment. They are eating dinner right now. The dog is sleeping right now. You are listening to me right now. Do you see the difference? These are all happening right this minute. So, remember, present continuous is used for actions happening right now. Before we practice, there is one more important rule. Some verbs do not use ing. We use them for feelings and thoughts. For example, do not say, I am knowing him. Say, I know him. Do not say, I am liking pizza. Say, I like pizza. Do not say, I am understanding. Say, I understand. Always use present simple for these feeling and thinking words. Let us look at a simple comparison on the screen. For present simple, use words like every day, usually, always, and often. For present continuous, use words like now, right now, at the moment, and today. Here is an easy trick to remember. If you can say every day, use present simple. If you can say right now, use present continuous. Now it is time for some real sentence practice with learning while listening anytime. I will read a sentence. Tell me if it is present simple or present continuous. Sentence 1. David works in a hospital. Is this present simple or present continuous? Pause the video and think. It is present simple because it is a true fact. Sentence 2. Emma is studying for a test. Can you identify the grammar? Pause the video and think. It is present continuous because she is doing it right now. Sentence 3. We watch television every Friday. What do you think? Pause the video and think. Present simple. The phrase every Friday tells us it is a routine. Sentence 4. The doctor is helping a patient now. What is your answer? Pause the video and think. Present continuous because it says now. Sentence 5. I like red apples. What is it? Pause the video and think. Present simple because like is a feeling and a true fact. Sentence 6. The cat is drinking milk. What is this one? Pause the video and think. Present continuous because the cat is doing it right now. Before I tell you the answer for the next one, write your guess in the comments. Sentence 7. Tom drives a car to work. Present simple or present continuous. Pause the video and write your answer. The answer is present simple. It is his daily habit. Sentence 8. Sarah is shopping at the market. What is the answer? Pause the video and think. Present continuous. The ing verb shows the action is happening now. Sentence 9. They clean the house on weekends. What do you think? Pause the video and think. Present simple because it happens every weekend. Sentence 10. They are cooking dinner today. What is this? Pause the video and think. Present continuous. It is happening today. You are doing a great job. Now let us do some listening practice. Listen to this conversation between Sarah and Tom. Pay attention to the verbs. Sarah says, "Hello, Tom. What are you doing?" Tom says, "I am reading a new book." Sarah says, "Do you read every day?" Tom says, "Yes, I read every night before bed." Sarah says, "That is a good habit. What is Emma doing?" Tom says, "She is cooking dinner in the kitchen." Sarah says, "Does she cook every night?" Tom says, "No, she usually eats at a restaurant." Sarah says, "Where is the dog?" Tom says, "The dog is sleeping under the table." Sarah says, "I see. I am going to the park now." Tom says, "Have fun. I am staying here." Let me ask you some questions about the story. Which present simple sentences did you hear? Did you hear any daily habits? Pause the video and think. The answers are, I read every night before bed, and she usually eats at a restaurant. Very good. Which present continuous sentences did you hear? Did you hear any actions happening right now? Pause the video and think. The answers are, I am reading a new book, she is cooking dinner, the dog is sleeping, and I am going to the park now. Let me ask one more question. What is Tom doing right now? Think for a moment. He is reading a new book. You did a fantastic job listening. Before we continue, tell me in the comments, which tense is easier for you? Present simple or present continuous? Let me know below. Welcome back to learning while listening anytime. Let us look at 5 common mistakes students make. Mistake number 1. Listen to this wrong sentence. I am working every day. This is wrong. The correct sentence is, I work every day. We do not use am and ing for daily habits. Mistake number 2. Listen to this wrong sentence. She watched television right now. This is wrong. The correct sentence is, she is watching television right now. For right now, we need is and ing. Mistake number 3. Listen to this wrong sentence. We're like pizza. This is wrong. The correct sentence is we like pizza. Like is a feeling and a fact. We do not use continuous words for feelings. Mistake number 4. Listen to this wrong sentence. He play the guitar now. This is wrong. The correct sentence is he is playing the guitar now. You must add is and ing for actions happening now. Mistake number 5. Listen to this wrong sentence. They are walk to school every morning. This is wrong. The correct sentence is they walk to school every morning. Every morning means habit, so just use walk without ing. Now it is time for quick practice. I will say a sentence with a missing word. You tell me the correct word. Question 1. I always blank coffee in the morning. Is it drink or am drinking? Pause the video and think. The answer is drink. I always drink coffee in the morning. Question 2. Look, the dog blank in the garden. Is it sleeps or is sleeping? Pause the video and think. The answer is sleeping. The dog is sleeping in the garden. Question 3. Sarah blank to the library every week. Is it goes or is going? Pause the video and think. The answer is goes. Sarah goes to the library every week. Question 4. We blank to the teacher right now. Is it listen or are listening? Pause the video and think. The answer is are listening. We are listening to the teacher right now. Question 5. He usually blank a bus to work. Is it takes or is taking? Pause the video and think. The answer is takes. He usually takes a bus to work. Great work. Now it is time for our big quiz. Question 1. Choose the correct sentence for a daily habit. A. I play tennis every day. B. I am playing tennis every day. C. I plays tennis every day. Pause the video and think. The correct answer is A. We use present simple for daily habits. Question 2. Choose the correct sentence for right now. A. She eat an apple now. B. She eats an apple now. C. She is eating an apple now. Pause the video and think. The correct answer is C. We use is and ing for right now. Question 3. Tom blank his car every weekend. A. Wash. B. Washes. C. Is washing. Pause the video and think. The correct answer is B. Washes. Every weekend means present simple. Question 4. Listen, the baby blank. A. Cry. B. Cries. C. Is crying. Pause the video and think. The correct answer is C. Is crying. Listen means it is happening now. Question 5. They blank to school on Mondays. A. Walk. B. Walks. C. Are walking. Pause the video and think. The correct answer is A. Walk. On Mondays means it is a routine. Question 6. I blank a book at the moment. A. Read. B. Reads. C. Am reading. Pause the video and think. The correct answer is C. Am reading. At the moment means right now. Question 7. We usually blank dinner at home. A. Eat. B. Eats. C. Are eating. Pause the video and think. The correct answer is A. Eat. Usually means it is a habit. Question 8. Look out the window, it blank. A. Rain. B. Rains. C. Is raining. Pause the video and think. The correct answer is C. Is raining. Look means it is happening right now. Question 9. David blank his friend on the phone right now. A. Call. B. Calls. C. Is calling. Pause the video and think. The correct answer is C. Is calling. Right now tells us to use is calling. Question 10. She always blank her keys. A. Lose. B. Loses. C. Is losing. Pause the video and think. The correct answer is B. Loses. Always means it is a habit for present simple. You did a wonderful job today. Let us do a quick summary. Present simple is used for daily habits and routines. Present continuous is used for actions happening right now. Also, remember the special rule for feeling and thinking words like know and like. We always use present simple for them. Remember these rules, and your English will improve. Now, I have a simple homework activity for you. Write 2 sentences in the comments below. Write 1 present simple sentence about something you do every day. Write 1 present continuous sentence about something you are doing right now. For example, I drink tea every day. I am watching a video now. I will read your comments and check your English. Thank you so much for learning with me today. If you answered most of the questions correctly, write I did it in the comments. If you still have questions, ask me below. I reply to many comments. Please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Share this lesson with your family and friends. Remember, speak English every day. Practice every day. Mistakes help you learn. I will see you in the next lesson from Learning while listening anytime.